Hello mga kamimis! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Mie Mie Olita. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will always be updated for my next video. Kathryn Bernardo is very simple on her new vlog titled Unboxing Silver and Gold Play Button, and also a frank color to her subscriber. And according to Kathryn, I had to document this moment, and dapat yun pag nag-unbox ako nito, kasama ko kayo. Because this is not just my accomplishment, but sa atin to lahat. I am so very proud of you, Kathryn, for your accomplishment. And Kathryn also was very happy and enjoying to prank her subscriber winners. And look who is on the mirror on a gold play button. It was Padilla who video on her vlog. How sweet, Katniel! What can you say about this video? Just share your thoughts in the comment section below. And thank you so much guys for watching. See you on my next video.